Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a few things that I picked up and a mini update on how I'm feeling about my Speedy 20 trunk. I picked up 2 items from Nordstrom that I always hear other YouTubers raving about, and I had to finally see for myself, so I have those to share. I also picked up something from Louis Vuitton that I have been wanting to purchase for a while now. I finally retired my Gucci key pouch, so that should give you a hint of what's inside of here. And I also picked up a little SLG from Marc Jacobs that I want to share with you as well. Before we start, I just have to let you know about a really great Black Friday sale that's going on right now from Teddy Blake. Teddy Blake has sponsored this portion of the video and sent over this beautiful bag for me to share with you all. For those of you who aren't familiar, Teddy Blake creates luxury handbags crafted with premium Italian leather. Their bags are made in the same factories as some of the high-end luxury brands we all love, but at a much more affordable price point. So you get the same quality without the luxury price tag. Right now, their Black Friday sale is live and they have some really great discounts on gorgeous bags, including the one I have here, the ℎ𝕠𝕠𝕟𝕦𝕔𝕥 13 in the color blue jeans. I absolutely love the rich cross embossed leather on this bag. It's versatile enough that it can be dressed up or dressed down, and the color is so pretty. So be sure to check out the Black Friday sale while it's on. Trust me, you guys, you don't want to miss these deals. And if you happen to miss the sale, no worries, I've got you covered. I have a special discount code that you can always use at checkout to get $30 off your next purchase. All the details, including my link and discount code, will be in the description box, so make sure you go and check it out. The first item I want to share with you is an SLG that I picked up from Marc Jacobs. Normally, I'm not really a big fan of contemporary SLGs. I've purchased so many over the years and I never end up using them, but I have really been loving and using the SLGs from Marc Jacobs lately. So this one, of course, is the wallet, just like it says on the front. And I just love that it has a card slot right here on the front, which is very convenient. It opens up with a snap button. There are 2 card slots on this side and 2 more on the other side. There's also 2 slip pockets on either side for more cards, and there's a space for bills as well. On the back, there's an additional card slot for another card, and there's also a zipper compartment on the back with more room for additional cards. I just thought that this wallet was really cute, you guys, and I just had to have it. I know a lot of you guys don't like the branding on the front, but I don't mind it at all. I actually really like it, and it's going to match my tote bag and my sack bag that I am unfortunately already experiencing corner wear on, but that is a whole different story for a whole different time. The next item that I purchased is from Louis Vuitton, and again, this is an item that I have been wanting for the longest, but I just kept putting it off, and I finally decided to just get it, and I am so glad that I did. Here is my receipt. And here's the gift box. My SA did such a good job wrapping it. I almost don't want to take the ribbon off, but let's just try to take it off carefully. And here it is, my brand new Louis Vuitton monogram key pouch. I know that this is not a newer piece, and this is something that mostly everyone already has, but you guys, I have been wanting this for so long. Initially, when I was looking for a new key pouch about 2 years ago, I had this one on my short list, but I eventually went with the Gucci key pouch instead. But I don't have any Gucci bags at the moment, and then plus, I've just been falling in love with Louis Vuitton lately. Here's the inside, and of course it's lined in canvas, and it just has the key ring to attach your keys inside. I'm going to get an insert to go inside of mine. I don't know, I just like the way that it looks having an insert, so I'll be ordering one to go inside. I'm so happy to finally have this little key pouch, and I think it's going to look so good inside of all of my bags. The last 2 items I picked up are from Nordstrom, and what I picked up is from a brand that I currently don't own anything from, but again, I keep hearing people rant and rave about this brand, and I kind of was feeling left out, you guys. So I finally went ahead and picked up not 1, but 2 things from the brand, and the brand that I'm talking about is none other than Longchamp. So this is the Pliage Cosmetics case. Initially, I thought about getting it in another color because the store had so many different ones to choose from. Steel, paper, chestnut, just so many different options to choose from. But I've been on this whole blue kick lately, so naturally I ended up going with blue. The outside is crafted from a recycled nylon and it's trimmed with leather cowhide. It opens and closes with a snap closure, and right underneath is a zipper closure that features gold hardware, and the inside has a wipeable water-resistant lining. This little cosmetics case is so cute, and I see a lot of people converting it to wear crossbody. There's a kit that allows you to attach a strap to each side to wear crossbody. I don't think that I'm going to be doing that. For me, this is just going to be a cosmetic case and a catch-all. The last item I picked up, also from Longchamp, is the small top handle Pliage bag. And of course, I went with blue again. There is something about this blue, especially with the contrast of leather, that really just stood out to me. In store, there were a couple of different sizes, and I was torn between this size and the medium size. But I think this size is going to be perfect for me. It's not too small, but it's still roomy enough to hold everything I need for the day. So the way that it comes folded up just like this. I'm not sure why, and I'm really not sure how I feel about that, to be honest. The outside is made from the same recycled nylon and trimmed in leather cowhide. The inside is just one big open space, also lined with the same wipeable water-resistant material, and then there's just one slip pocket on the front. I may end up getting a bag organizer for it because on its own, it's just kind of doing its own thing and not standing up straight. It almost feels like it's the same size as my Speedy 25 over there. I may do a comparison of the two at some point. I haven't used it yet, of course, but honestly, my first impressions are that I kind of see why it's so popular. Before I wrap up this video, I do want to speak on this bag that's been sitting in the cut, my Speedy 20 trunk. You guys, I've been so conflicted over this bag because the crossbody strap is not tall girl friendly. And if I'm being honest, I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this bag. A lot of you gave me great suggestions and feedback on the bag. And I've also heard from many of you who are experiencing the same strap issues, even if you're not as tall. So it seems to be a universal problem. I keep going back and forth on it. Some days I feel like I should buy a new strap or get extenders to make it work. But other days I feel like I shouldn't have to jump through all these hoops just to make it work. So I still haven't figured out whether I'm going to keep it or not. I mean, I can always just wear it top handle, but to be honest, I would prefer a much bigger bag if I'm going to wear a bag top handle. It's just such a beautiful bag, and I know that if I decide not to keep it, I'm probably going to regret it down the line. So I'm still trying to decide on what to do with it. One thing that I have noticed is that since I've had it, I have not had the urge to carry it one time. So maybe that's my intuition guiding me on what to do. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.